everyone! Welcome to an unboxing and setup video with Kim Tech. My name is Kim. Today we'll be unboxing and setting up the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra with a price tag of $1,599 and 99 cents, which rounds up to be $1,600. This includes the robot vacuum itself, one ultra dock, one water tank, a mop cloth, and one mop cloth mount. If you're eager to get it up and running, you can jump straight to the setup portion of the video by using the timestamp in the description box below. If not, let's get on with the unboxing. Although the vacuum robot comes partially charged, I suggest charging it overnight before you start with your setup. First, download the Roborock app if you haven't already. And you'll need an account to log into the app. If you bought your vacuum with a Roborock account from the Roborock website, then you can use that account to log in to the app. Tapping Not Now to saving my password to my keychain because I'm not interested. But you can if you want to. Agree to user agreement. Tap Allow to Roborock to connect to your local network. If you tap Don't Allow, you won't be able to connect to your Roborock to set it up later, and you would get this error because that was what happened to me. I'm tapping Disagree here to Roborock product and service updates because it mentions your feedback will also help, which means it will collect more of my data. No thanks. I can install updates manually. Tap Scan to connect. Lift the top cover of the robot and scan the QR code. Don't put the phone too close to the QR code though because it won't be able to focus and the QR code won't scan. Press and hold the mob only and dock buttons for 3 seconds until you hear the resetting Wi-Fi voice alert. Once you see the Wi-Fi indicator flashes slowly in blue, tap Wi-Fi reset and next. Choose your home Wi-Fi network. It should automatically select your home Wi-Fi. If it doesn't, then select it from the drop-down arrow. It's worth noting that 5G Wi-Fi is not supported, so don't select your 5G Wi-Fi. But if you have a mesh system, you should be fine. Just select your default Wi-Fi network. Tap Next. Tap Join for the Roborock app to join the vacuum's Wi-Fi network.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Stand by.
Once completed, the app will transfer the info to the vacuum, which will allow the vacuum to connect to your home network.
Wi-Fi connected.
Tap Use Now. Once the app is done loading, which should be fairly fast, tap Agree to Legal Information. You are now presented with some cautionary notes like do not use the robot to clean sharp debris, do not vacuum very wet floors, and do not wash the robot with running water. Common sense stuff really. Tap Next. Enable map saving and next. If you have multiple stories, then select My house has multiple stories and OK. If you don't, just tap OK. If you want to know where the device is before it goes offline, then enable offline map. I'm enabling it here because I want to test this feature. Next. Leave less collision mode enabled and next. If you have pets, select home with pets. We don't, so I'm moving forward with leaving that unselected and OK. Tap Quick Mapping for the robot vacuum to start its mapping process. Let it do its thing and it will let you know once it's done. It's worth noting that if you have things on the ground, the robot vacuum will try to go over them. And if it cannot, then it will go around them. So if you want a space to be cleaned, then just make sure that the robot can reach it and there's nothing blocking it. If you have multiple stories, place the vacuum to the floor that you want to map and tap the 3 vertical dots, Manage Maps, Create New Map, and select Quick Mapping. Unless you want it to clean at the same time of mapping, then tap Clean and Mapping. After the mapping is complete, tap the 3 vertical dots again and check for any firmware updates, and select Update Now or Enable Auto Update. It will install on its own once it downloads the update. Before you start your first clean, you will notice on the app that there's a notification on the dock button. Tap on it and it will tell you that there's no water in the clean water tank. So fill that up with room temperature or cold water. Now you are ready to have the fella do his first clean. I'm going to do a separate review video on this. Super excited to test out the Roborock S8 Pro Ultra around our house because of its high price tag. I'm really curious if it can clean relatively well, and also will it get stuck moving around our house because we do have 1/2 inch incline in some of our rooms. So please stay tuned. Hope you all find this video helpful. If you do, please click the thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any questions, please feel free to put it down below. Thank you so much for watching this video and have yourself a nice day or night wherever you are, my buddies. Until next time, bye!